To Aryavat Center for Theoretical Physics. This is another video based on the solved problem. So in this two problems we have to find the area between certain curves. So y square is equal to x cube and x is equal to 4. So we have to find the area generated by these two curves. This is the graph of these curves. This one is y is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 and this is x by is equal to 4, and curve is this one. This is the area. We have to find this area. First of all, the area of OMP is equal to half of the total area OPP dash. So first of all we have to find this half area. So half area is simply y dx, 0 to 4. This is 0 and this is 4. From point 0 to 4, from point O to P. So let us call this A. So 0 to 4 y dx. Now we substitute value of y, which is y is equal to x to the power 3 by 2, and we solve this integral and we will get 64 divided by 5, and area OPP dash is equal to 2 times area of OPM, which is 64 by 5, and it is 25.6 unit. This is the solution of this problem. Again, similar problem is this one. Area generated by this curve x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 8 to the power 2 by 3, and this is the graph of this equation. We have to find the total area. First of all, we calculate this half area, which is x divided by 2 Sx, total area P A B, which is 2 pi from A to B, and y 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 1 by half dx. Now we differentiate this one with respect to x, and we will get dy by dx is equal to minus y to the power 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3, and finally if we plug this one into this one, we will get this equation 8 to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 2 by 3 to the whole power 3 by 2, and we plug this one into this equation, and solving this integral, which is simple, we will get x by 2 is equal to 6 pi a square by 5. So as x is equal to 12 pi a square by 5. So as x is equal to 12 pi a square by 5. This is the solution of this problem. Means total area PAB is equal to 12 pi a square by 5.